Okay, so, well, I'm going to try and say this, but it might not really work out. So we have 2, and then square root of brackets, 2 plus 2 squared close bracket. That's to the power of 2 times 2 squared close bracket, which is to the power of 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2. Okay, so when you have these really long problems, you're going to want to start at the top, so here, and then simplify them. And remember to always do brackets first and then indices. So basically, if we're going to simplify this, this will go to, well, 2 over 2 is 1. We have 1, 2 plus 1, so that's 1 over 3. So, 7 over 3. Okay, and then we have 2 times 2 squared, 3. First of all, we do the brackets, so it's 2 times 4, which is 8. So, this is 8. Okay, and 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is just the cube root of 8, which is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So basically, we have simplified this down to 2 square root of 2 plus 2 squared close root to the power of 2. And then you do the brackets, so 2 plus 4, 6. And then, well, basically because the square root cancels out the square, so you have 2 times 6, which equals 12. So the answer for the problem of the day for the 12th of June is 12. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next.